Hi, in this video we're going to add or subtract algebraic fractions where prior factorisation of the denominator is needed. So, as I say, when you've got denominators that can potentially be factorised, always do that, and we'll see why there might be advantage of that in a moment. So this denominator here, we can factorise out 15x squared and 20. We can factor out 5. So we've got 5 brackets, and then what's that going to be? That's going to be 3x squared plus 4. What about the second fraction? Well, I can factorise out 3. So we've got 3 brackets, and what's it going to be? 3x squared plus 4 again. Now, what you'll often find is that you have a common factor in each of these denominators, and that's good. Because remember, we need the same denominator across the two fractions in order to be able to add or subtract these fractions. So I need this and this to be the same. Now, they already have the 3x squared plus 4 in common, so I just need this 5 and the 3 to be the same number. And we can do that just by scaling each of the fractions individually. Whatever you multiply the numerator by, you multiply the denominator by the same. Now, 5 and 3 both go into 15, don't they? So to turn this 5 into 15, I need to times it by 3. So let's do that, times top and bottom by 3. And to turn that 3 into 15, I times top and bottom by 5. So let's do that. We're going to have 2x times 3 is 6x, and the 5 times the 3 at the bottom is going to be 15. And then the second one, we've got 10 over, and then the 3 times 5 is 15. Just a quick note to say that when you have a product of this, so 5 times something, something times something, and you multiply it by 3, you only times one of these things by 3. So the 5 got multiplied by 3 to get 15, but you don't times this by 3 as well, otherwise it will be too big. Right, okay, now we've got the same denominators, so we can now just add the numerators. So let's do that. So we have 6x plus 10 over 15 brackets 3x squared plus 4. Now, in general, you should, once you get to this stage, once you've combined it into a single fraction, you should factorise the numerator if you can, because there might be something that cancels with the bottom. So I can see 6x plus 10, I can factor out 2. So I get 2 brackets 3x plus 5. Now, unfortunately, in this particular case, it doesn't simplify any further because there's no common factors top and bottom. 2 and 15, they have no common factors, well, other than 1. And the 3x plus 5 and the 3x squared plus 4, they're not the same and don't have anything in common. So we can't simplify that either. So that is the final answer. But what form did I actually want it in? Oh, it wanted the form ax plus b over whatever. So that is actually the required form there.